Hey, welcome back to the channel vlog. We got my boy Romero. We're gonna teach you guys how to hook up a one of these bad boys. What model you got here? You got the T28 model. Look at that.
All right, you ready?
We're recording in portrait. Don't lie, that's crisp though. Recording in
We're
portrait.
here, beanering it up.
Beanering it up.
We're about to make some money for some beer.
Yeah, make some money. We're just doing this for some homeowner installing his AC. This is what we specialize in.
Microwaves.
Microwaves, not an AC. Yeah.